Hi there, it's Babs here from Madam Sew, and today I will be talking to you about the upgraded super duper zigzag foot that comes as part of the 32 feet presser set. Now this zigzag foot has an exceptionally wide plate. It has a gap in the front which will allow you to feed elastic or decoration of some kind, and I'm going to show you how to use it with some rickrack. And we've got a beautifully wide mouth there so that you can actually have these lovely decorative stitches, and it includes marks so you can see your left, right and center position for your needle on that foot. So I shall go pop it on. It is a bar attachment, which again makes it nice and easy to use, and I'll show you what this does. As I say, this is a simple bar attachment, so you just drop it down and you are good to go. And that's all ready and set. Now I'm going to start off with some fancy stitches so that you can see that they work with that nice wide spacing. You've got room to tuck your thread in through from the side. There's the notch on the side there to thread your thread through, and we'll start with some fancy stitches. And we're going to set our width extra wide now. So if we take a quick peek, so we have a selection of very fancy stitches, some with very bizarre wide shaping, some with narrow, but they've all been completed on the zigzag foot. Now what I've done is taken it off of the sewing machine so that I can thread some rickrack through there, and it's just run through that gap at the very front, which is just here. And now that that is threaded in, I shall reattach it to the sewing machine, and we shall then I'll show you how simple it is to attach that to my fabric. And we can line up the rickrack using those marks on the centre there. And then when you're using that feed, you need to pull everything out the back. And there you can see that that has been sewn all down the edge. And that's actually attached it really nicely. I hope that tutorial was useful to you. And if so, please subscribe to the Madam Sew channel for more tutorials and information on the Ultimate Presser Foot set. I'll see you around for the next tutorial. Bye for now.